God our Father, who loved us and by His grace gave us eternal encouragement and good hope. We have a hope and also eternal encouragement in Lord Jesus Christ. What does Bible says is the greater 7 years tribulation period is not started as on now, because Antichrist is not revealed. Okay, if Antichrist has to reveal, somebody has to be removed. That is, restrainer has to be removed. Now that restrainer is holding him back, the Antichrist to reveal. So once this restrainer is removed or taken up, that is church, we are raptured, then Antichrist will be revealed. Once Antichrist is revealed, then only the 7 years tribulation period will start. Otherwise, now the 7 years tribulation period has been not started. Thank you.